Buy Kashmir Saffron online in Singapore. www.indiakashmirsaffron.com. We deliver worldwide. Buy Kashmir Saffron online in Singapore, India. Kashmir Saffron is reputed arm of our company in the international market for wholesale and retail of Kashmiri Saffron in Singapore. We directly procure Kashmiri Kesar from Kashmir Farmers and retail it in beautiful, elegant paper packing to maintain freshness of saffron for a very long time. We feel immensely proud that due to our valued customer-oriented approach, we are one of the top saffron supplier firms in Singapore, Central Region, East Region, North Region, Northeast Region, West Region. One of the main essences behind our success is that we follow strict quality standards to ensure our clients get the worth they are paying for. These well-established quality standards are followed in packaging as well as in delivery too. Each packaging is manually checked by our experts to ensure optimum quality. These customer-oriented policies have been the backbone of our work process, and we work towards achieving 100% customer satisfaction. www.indiakashmirsaffron.com and place order online.